Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alpan Farizal from study program management 2022 kelas A dengan NPM 22411102. Understanding capital structure. Capital structure refers to the specific mix of debt and equity used by company to finance of its overlay operation and growth. It is an important company its plan and can have a significant impact on company profitability, risk, and overall value. Here are some key points to understand about capital structure. 1. Debt. This consists of borrowed money that is debt back to the lender, commonly with interest expense. Debt can come in the form of bond issue or loans, and short-term debt is also considered part of the capital structure. And 2. Equity. This arises from ownership, shares in company, and claims to its factor, cash flows, and property. Quality may come in the form of common stock, preferred debt, stock of return earnings. And 3. Optimal capital structure. This is a property of debt and equity that result in the loss like the average cost of capital and WACC for the firm. Capital structure in the way a company finances its operation and investment progress. Through the company composition upon the two main components of the capital structure are debt and equity, and equity here and more detailed explanation of both of costs. Company capital structure refers to the particular combination of debt and equity used by a company to finance its overall operation and growth to money. Companies of capital structure are. And one debt. This is counts of borrowed money that is due back to lender, commonly in interest expense. Debt can come in form of bond issue or loans, and short-term debt is also considered part of the capital structure. And 2. Equity. This is ours from ownership shares in company as and claim is to factor cash flows and profits. Equity can come in the form of common stock, profit stock, or retiring earnings. Capital structure analysis is an important tool in complex financial decision making and risk management. It helps company in planning their fund recruitment, management, financial risks, and activating long-term financial goals. Analyzing and company as capital structure is important for several reasons. Here are some of the guide decisions. 1. Assessing investment quality. Company judicious use of debt and equity is a key indicator of a strong belief is a healthy capital structure that is reflect a low level of debt and allergy. Amount of equity is positive in investment quality. And 2. Evaluating risks. Companies that are helping finance debt by debt have a more aggressive capital structure and therefore pose a greater risk to investors by analyzing and company capital structure. Investors can assess the level of risk accordingly when investing in that company. Capital structure analysis is the process of evaluating and investing in company of debt and equity financing, as well as its overall financial stability and important for both the company management and investor. Is can company to company financial health, risk profile and growth prospects. Here are some benefits of capital structure analysis. And number one, determining optimal balance. The goals of capital structure analysis is to determine optimal balance between debt and equity financing that maximizes shareholder value with meeting an acceptable level of financial risk and flexible, and to evaluating financial health. Capital structure analysis can help investors value a company financial health by looking at key ratios and measures such as debt to equity ratio, debt ratio, and long-term debt to capitalization ratio. Capital structure refers to the specific mix of debt and equity used to finance of company. Asset on operation, the company of capital structure include debt. This consists of borrowed money taught in dua black to the ladder, commonly white and rest express. Debt can come in the form of use or loans, and short-term debt is also considered part of the capital structure. Number one, equity. Equity capital arise from ownership shares in a company and claims to its future cash flows and profits. Equity may come in the form of common stock, preferred stock, or return agents. Number two, preferred stocks. This is capital raised by investor with priority or common equity but lower priority that all of debt instrument with factor that balance debt and equity. And number three, common stock. This is the capital profit from investor. The company exchanges for partial ownership in factor and asset of the company. Learning infus dollar is a cost tutor edifying elite. Precious return Maximus Mauritius said Sodales ut rexus lesina nisi eu tempus proing Jesus Erus non cidicius parters les cost financialis lenon nib chongs pet post petius settingis dollar set makna dollar plus ti vel libero in tempus male sudah tertor duis ulam kol lecus ns olitru in implasi osi sklare nus intrum sem it nulla efficient condertu set various masasin amet nular enus creditor. There is a financial ratio analysis with the capital structure that assessing how will company manage and utilize debts and equity. Some the ratio. Number one, debt to equity ratio DER. Formula DER total debt garis miring total liquidity equity decretion. This ratio must vary the extent to which company relies on debt versus equity. The higher the greater the proportion of debt in capital structure, which can increase financial risk of company. Debt ratio, formula debt ratio. In conclusion, capital structure analysis is important process in corporate financial management involving the main company's debt and equity. The objective thus optimal balance between the sources of fund derived from debts and equities, so that the company can and following business. Number one, capital cost optimization. By causing the right capital structure, the company can reduce its model cost, which increases in profitability. Number two, increase core value. F E I O A. Prepare capital structure can help a company increase the value of its company, being shareholders and owners. Risky devaluation. Combining depth and quality in capital structure help in managing financial risks. Financial flexibility. Capital structure analysis help company understand to what extent they can use debt way to ensure risks. Investment decision making. Capital structure analysis help determine how new investment project and business project are funded. Number two, regulation. Companies must obey rules and regulation related to the capital structure. Liquidity management. A good capital structure helps in the management of liquidity and the ability of a company to meet financial obligations. Business growth. Proper capital structure allows companies to obtain the fund need to support business growth. Investor relation. The capital structure refers to company relationship with stockholders and investor. Definition. The capital structure affects the company in defined policies. In addition, the financial ratio required with the capital structure and the understanding of the sources of fund and the management of financial risks are seeking the right decision. A good capital structure and can help a company its financial goals and maintain business sustainability. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.